Imagine this. You're 65, sitting on a beach, sipping a drink and living your dream life. Now imagine the opposite. Working into your 70s, stressed, broke, and regretting every financial mistake you made. Which version of your future are you building right now? The truth is, your financial story starts today, and believe it or not, $100 is all you need to begin. Stick around because I'll show you how to use that $100 to change your life forever, even if you're starting from scratch. Here's the reality. Most people waste $100 without even thinking about it. A night out, a pair of sneakers, or, let's be honest, an impulsive Amazon haul. But here's the scary part. That $100 doesn't just disappear. It cost you your future wealth. A single $100 properly invested could grow to $5,000, $10,000, or more over time. Here's the kicker. Most people never take that first step. Why? They're scared. Scared of losing money, scared they don't know enough, or scared it's just too late. Let me ask you something. Are you scared of staying broke? Because that's the real risk here. Think about it this way. If you can trust yourself to order Taco Bell at 2 a.m., you can trust yourself to invest $100. All right, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk about how to turn your $100 into the foundation of a wealthy future. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. First up, fractional investing. No, you don't need thousands to buy a slice of the big leagues. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab let you own a piece of companies like Apple or Tesla for just a few bucks. Here's the secret. Start with ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are like a basket of stocks, spreading your risk and maximizing potential returns. For example, the S&P 500 ETF tracks the top 500 companies in the US. Imagine owning a piece of Amazon, Google, and Microsoft all at once. But here's where it gets really exciting. What if your $100 could start earning you money while you sleep? That's where the magic of compound interest comes in. It's like planting a tree that keeps growing without any extra effort. By reinvesting your earnings, your $100 doesn't just grow, it multiplies exponentially. Quick question. If I handed you $10 every week for free, would you take it? Of course, right? That's exactly what compound interest does over time. Set up automatic investments. Even if it's just $20 a month, it adds up faster than you think. And here's a pro tip. Look for accounts with zero trading fees. Your $100 shouldn't be eaten by costs. Here's the thing. Starting with $100 isn't about the amount. It's about the habit. Wealth isn't built overnight, but every dollar you invest is a brick in your financial empire. Let me leave you with this. If you don't start today, when will you? And if you're wondering what's next after investing my first $100, I've got you covered. Check out my next video where I'll show you how to scale that $100 to $10,000 and beyond.